Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn Dart null safety features. There are different types of null operators. We are going to make small length videos on each operator or maybe combine two operators in one video. First operator we are going to cover is if null operator. First, null operators are defined using symbol double question mark. This is if null operator. It means if the value of any variable is null, then automatically we are going to assign the value to the left hand side of the operator, the right one. The value which is on the right, we will assign this value to the left one on the operator. Now we are going to demonstrate this using an example. Before jumping into the null if null operator, let's just understand the keyword late. What does late keyword do? It means it tells the Dart compiler that we are going to give the value to this variable later in our code. So Dart compiler trusts us that we are going to assign this value, or either we have to make this a variable null if we don't want to give any value, or we have to give it a late keyword, which means we are going to give this variable a value. Here I have taken a variable x which is marked as late. Now I have tried to print it. It has given me the error because the value of the variable is not initialized yet, and we are printing it before assigning it the value. And the Dart compiler has given us the late initialization error, which is a very popular error. Now I'm going to assign the value to the variable x, and then I'm going to print it. You see it has showed the value 2 in the console. Now if you want to give any variable the value of null, what does it mean? Let's say if I ask you, every one of you, to give me your favorite color. Not everyone will have a favorite color, right? So it means that this answer can be nullable. You cannot give answer to the question depending on what's your favorite color preferences. So let's say if I devise a program and I ask the user about their favorite color, they might have a favorite color or they might not. So it means I have to, logically I have to keep this variable a nullable field, which means that you can give it the answer, or if you don't give the answer, the program should run fine. Now I will give you an example via coding. You use a question mark after the data type and before the variable name to mark it as a nullable field. Now if I try to print it, it has showed me the value of null. I am assigning it a value and then printed it. Try to print it, it will be the same value, it will print null. Now we are trying the if null operator. What is happening here right now? Because the favorite color variable is null, so it has given the value on the right side of the operator as a return value. So the print, when the print function is called, it printed red because the value in the favorite color variable was null. Now I'm assigning this value to a variable which is not nullable. So it means either we need to give it the value, or we cannot make it as a non-nullable field. So it is a non-nullable field, we have to give it the value. Now the value in the favorite color is null, so automatically it will assign the my color variable the yellow. Previously what we used to do here, we need to check the value in the if operator, and then if the value is null, then we need to give it some value based on that check, or we need to run the else check if the condition is not matched. So this is a shorthand approach to allow anything that is nullable to give a default value for that operation if the variable is null. Let's try another example. I have taken here a test variable named test, and then I have taken a favorite color same variable which is nullable. In this if else block, you see if I am checking it as a null, then it is giving the value test1 to the variable, and if it is not, then it is value test2. So this is how you use the null operator. If you guys liked it, do let me know in the comment section and subscribe for more.